All right, guys, weekly stimulus. Sorry, a little late on this one. Monday, Labor Day, Tuesday, we did the unbroken cleans. We're going to do a format like this next week as well. And again, you had a 5-minute time frame to do the 8, the 6, the 4, and the 2. These should be touch and go reps. They're written like that for a reason. They're not meant to be singles, okay? So understand what we're trying to do. We're trying to get you to hold on, all right? So we're trying to find out weights that we can hold on to compared to weights that we can do singles with, okay? Yesterday's conditioning was 7 rounds for time with 3 wall walks, 5 front squats, 7 burpees over the bar. Round should be done right around 90 seconds. That'll get you done in under the time cap, all right? Today, 5x5 split jerk, okay? Week 10, every 3 minutes. Pull-ups are done in between these sets. And conditioning. Conditioning is 12 toe to bar, 21 kettlebell swings, and then 10, 15 on the air bike. If you guys need to sub this out for rowing, you could probably go 21, 15 for the row if you have a large class. You may even get lucky enough to start half of the people on the toe to bar and go down, and the other 15, the other bike go up. So that is another option for you guys. Coaching wise, start half the group on the 12 and have them go straight down, have the other half start on the bike and go straight up. All right, so that could work, but worst case, sub amount on the row, 21, 15. All right, okay, teams of 3 tomorrow, Thursday. This is how this works. You will have teams of 3 and you will alternate every 250 meters. So technically, we're trying to get this done right around a minute of work, all right, even under a minute, to knock out 250 meters on the rower. That means that your partner will go, then another partner will go, and that's going to give you right around a 2-minute break. So you're going to work for about a minute, you're going to get a 2-minute break, so that should be fast. So it's a running clock for 34 minutes. What's going to happen after that is one person is going to hold the farmers. That's the last person off the row because they're not going to have an opportunity to get a rest break. So, all right, the other 2 people that are waiting, one person's going to run, all right, after the rowing is complete. The other person's just going to chip away at their own pace. 1 rope climb, 7 bench press, 9 box jump, all right? So when the runner gets back, the runner goes to the runner goes to the chip. The chipper goes to the farmer's hold, and the farmer's hold goes to the run. So that will be the order. All right, you will pick up where you left off. Now, actually, you know what? You can pick up where your team left off to do total rounds on the chipping aspect. All right, Friday is a workout that I did at Games this past week. It's 75 wall ball. It's 40 shoulder to overhead with a double dumbbell. It's 20. It's 30. It's 30 box step ups, and that's just with 1 dumbbell. All right, so you can hold the dumbbell any way you want. All right, and you'll step up onto the box. 40 dumbbell snatch, and then 75 wall ball. So I made one little adjustment to this. All right, I did it for time. You're going to do it 1 minute of work, 1 minute of rest. 1 minute of work, 1 minute of rest. So coaches, you have a large class, all right? For me, a large class is over maybe like 10 on a workout like today, but it could be even maybe a group of 8 because you don't have a ton of dumbbells. The shoulder to overhead is double dumbbell. So you may have to break up the groups, and how it works is this. Let's say me and Evelyn are in class, all right? Evelyn will rest while I'm working, and Evelyn will work while I'm resting. So you guys can share the dumbbells, share the boxes. You don't need to get a ton of stuff. You can leave, you will pick up where you left off, but only one person is working while the other person is resting. Again, you're all on your own workout, but from logistics standpoint, half the group works, half the groups rest. It'll give you less space on the wall. It'll give you more room when you're doing the more availability to the dumbbells when you're doing the double dumbbell step, shoulder to overhead. The dumbbell snatch is single arm, and it's 1 dumbbell on the step up held any way you like. All right. Saturday's a 2-minute AMRAP. All right. You're going to do 15 ring dips okay? Whether you're using a band or not, time remaining, max distance, row, all right? There's no break. You'll go immediately into a 2-minute AMRAP of 15 hang power snatches, time remaining, max distance on the bike, all right? After that, no rest. 2-minute AMRAP, 4-bar muscle up or 8 chest to bar, time remaining, max rep double unders, 3-minute break, do it for 4 rounds, okay? All right, so this is a workout that maybe you want to stop right around like 10 seconds before the clock beeps so you can get to the bar or you can get to the rig to go ahead and knock out your reps, all right, or your buy-in movement prior to double unders, prior to bike, prior to row. Also, coaches, the way I look at this logistically as far as setting up, all the rings will be on the left-hand side of the gym, okay? All the bar muscle up and the double unders will be on the right-hand side of the gym, and the power snatch will be on the front half of the gym. So what you'll do is this is your bike. If this is your bike right here, the barbell will be like this, okay? So to see that, it's gonna look like this, okay? So bike and then your bar, all right? Again, right-hand side will be double unders and bar muscle up. Left-hand side will be ring dips and row, okay? And again, I would spread everybody out on that one so you're not on top of one another. Sunday's a 40-minute EMOM, 8 total bar, time remaining rest, 100-meter farmer carry, 100-foot farmer carry, time remaining rest, 10 box jump, time remaining rest, 15, 10 on the push-up, all right, time remaining rest, additional 1-minute rest, all right, and then you'll do 8 rounds of this, okay? All right, so this is a sneaky workout. That volume really gets big, so be mindful. Probably won't be horrible for the first couple of rounds. It will get harder and harder each round, no doubt. All right? All right, good talk.